So, in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can manifest anything in your life. It could be anything. So, first of all, you have to decide what you want. So, in this case, actually, Dr. Joe Dispenza's son, he wanted to manifest a job. So, he told his father that, I want to manifest a job. Can you please help me? So, Dr. Joe told him that this technique, he helped him with this technique, which I'm going to explain in this video. So he told him to first of all be clear about what he wanted, and then he told him to feel the elevated emotions. So his intention in the job was that he wanted to work from anywhere in the world, and then he wanted to make the same amount that he was making in his previous job, and he wanted that job on the basis of contract, like 6 months contract or a 1 year contract. And he also wanted to love what he was doing, and he wanted to be his own boss. So these were the intentions he had about his job. And then he was obviously going to feel these elevated emotions, which were like he was going to feel empowered and in love with his life and free and grateful. So every time he was doing this meditation, he began to feel these emotions as if whatever he want has already manifested and he is living his dream life. So, in the same way he manifested his job, the same way you can also manifest anything. You just need to decide about whatever thing you want to manifest, what are the associated emotions you are going to feel related to that thing. For example, if I want to manifest richness, wealth, then how would I feel? What are the emotions I will feel? So you have to make your brain so much familiar with those emotions. If I'm going to feel grateful, I will feel grateful right now. I'm going to feel grateful right now. If I feel abundant, I'm going to feel abundance right now. If I'm going to feel worthy of having everything, I'm going to feel worthy right now. So whatever emotion which is associated with your desire, you have to feel that emotion right now, and feel that emotion until you have the feeling of it being real inside you. It should not be like you're forcing yourself to feel this emotion, but you are just so happy because that thing is finally manifested and now you are enjoying. So you will automatically feel those emotions, so that there is no forceful force outside of you which is forcing you to feel these emotions, because that's your natural state. You're going to feel like this when you have that thing manifested in your life. So when you are going to feel those emotions, you have to make it natural, as if that's your current reality. And the same way, if it is a job, you can use the same technique. Or if it is you want to manifest money, you can at the place of J just write M and write the intention and the associated emotions that you are going to feel. If it is a relationship, write what is your intention regarding the relationship, what type of person you want, and what are the emotions you're going to feel with that person. Are you going to feel loved? What are the emotions you're going to feel? Just write those emotions and start feeling those emotions right now. You have to basically convince your subconscious mind that you already have that desire, because your subconscious mind does not know the difference between past, present and future. It doesn't know the concept of time. It doesn't know the difference between reality and imagination. So you have to indulge yourself so much into those emotions that your brain is no longer able to identify the difference between reality and imagination. You are just no longer able to identify what are you imagining and what is your reality. You have to feel those emotions to that level of depth, and use your sensory, all your 5 senses that you have. Try to touch it, try to feel it. Like if you are at your job, you are sitting at your desk, try to touch your desk, your chair in your imagination. When you are using your emotions, your senses, your imagination, your visualization becomes extremely, extremely powerful, because your brain, at that point of time, your brain just does not know the difference. If it is imagining, if it is in the reality, it does not know, because your subconscious does not have eyes, right? Your conscious mind can see through eyes, but your subconscious cannot. So that's how, with every desire of yours, you have to make your subconscious convince to that reality, whatever you want to manifest. Just convince your brain, convince your subconscious that you already have it. And whatever manifestation techniques we have, it is just to convince your subconscious that you already have that desire. According to Neville Goddard, also, he says that you have to live in the end, live in the end. Here, Joe Dispenza is telling you to feel those emotions. At the end, everybody is just telling you to act as if you already have it. You will feel those emotions when you actually have that job or when you have that desire, right? So, why are you not feeling those emotions right now? Just feel those emotions right now. And your subconscious mind will do anything, anything to make that your imagination come into reality. It will do anything, it will go to any extent, and do this every day until you have your desire manifested in your physical reality. Just do it every morning and every night before you're going to sleep. Just do it, and you will have your desire manifested in your reality, no matter how impossible it seems.